Hi everyone, I'll show you how to install and remove your SIM card and memory card from your Sony Xperia XA phone, as you can see right here. So your SIM card tray is on the side right here, as you can see, and the memory card for both of them, they're all in there. So you just pull it out, just pull on it, and it comes out pretty easily. Just pull it out and then install your SIM card and memory card. As you can see right here, there's in the picture, it shows which way it's supposed to be in. It's gotta be this way, and the memory card this way too. So once you install it in, it's not clicking. This memory card's still sticking out. Okay, so you hold this way and then just stick it back in like that. Once your phone will recognize it, it'll restart itself, unless you had it already powered off. Now you can just, once the phone is completely off, you can just remove the pull again on the SIM tray and remove this stuff by just very easily. Just pull it out. Again, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, thumbs up for more videos. Bye bye.